Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by anchoring the project. Define a clear business metric and success criteria so you know what to optimize. Next, rapidly assess what data exists and where gaps are. This guides feasibility. Once done, initialize a versioned repo and reproducible environment, then create a short milestone plan for the first week. This gets you moving immediately and prevents wasted effort on irrelevant analyses. Now you dive into processing. Clean data, profile distributions, and document assumptions. This prevents surprises later. Then you engineer features incrementally and always benchmark against simple baselines so you measure real gains. Once prototypes run, validate them using consistent train/validation/test splits and the metrics defined earlier. Make sure to check for leakage and demographic bias. Diagnose errors and iterate on features or models until validation performance stabilizes. To finish, package your model and integrate it into an API or scheduled batch pipeline. Automate unit and integration tests so deployments are safe. Then instrument runtime monitoring to track data drift, latency, and metric changes. Alert when thresholds breach so you can act fast. Finally, schedule retraining, maintain a rollback path, and report results to stakeholders. If something goes wrong, first check data schema changes and drift.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.